Okay. Okay, well, let's get started here. So, good morning. Welcome to the first Fire and Evacuation Modeling Technical Conference. And I hope that our intention certainly is to have this happen again 2 years from now. So we'll see how things go. This arose because Thunderhead, of course, we developed software that uses FDS, and we were wanting to talk to Kevin about when the next conference was, and he said the NIST was not going to support their fire conferences anymore, and so this is an alternative or a substitute for that. So that's how this came about. So the goal is to provide a forum in which people can present their work that they're doing primarily or with some emphasis on FDS. We are streaming live to about 25 people who are watching or will watch on the web. And so because of that, there's two things. One is we are going to make sure that we keep on schedule. And the other thing is that when you ask questions, make sure that you get the mic before you ask your question. We'll have somebody bring around a mic for the questions. Tonight there is a reception at the National Aquarium. It'll be in the evening. You can go in at 5:30. The actual reception starts at 6. Just head towards the sunset, towards there's two buildings that look like glass pyramids. And it's a short walking distance from here. Just head west and you'll get there. I just would really like to thank everybody for coming. I mean, it's kind of a risk when this is the first time for a first conference, so really appreciate the speakers putting in the effort to prepare their talks, and thank you for everybody coming. I want to thank everybody at Thunderhead for working on this. Brian Klein especially was responsible for putting this together. And I think I'll have everybody else at Thunderhead kind of stand up. Brian Hardiman, Richard Okonski, Charlie Thornton, and we have two interns outside helping. So we're a small company, but if you have questions or if you're running into bugs or whatever you have, please feel free to contact us. And I should say the last thing, at the reception tonight, if you show up, you can get a 90-day license to all of our software. So with that, let's go ahead and, are there any other comments or questions before we start? The first speaker is from Ralph Jensen, and I believe Craig is giving the talk, and so I'll invite him to come up and speak. Thank you.